Welcome to today's blog and video on cleaning services and Facebook advertising ideas. And today's idea is going to be clarity. And we're going to go over what is clarity in the context of Facebook advertising. What does it mean? How do we apply it? And show some good and bad examples of using clarity. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is methodcleanbiz.com. We are a marketing agency for cleaning services, and I've been in the industry many years. The special offer we're running right now is update your website, optimize it, get a new one, and we will include 3 months of SEO to get you going and get some leads flying in so you can get profitable as soon as possible. So today we're going to talk about Facebook and advertising, clarity, and what does clarity mean? In marketing, it's being clear, concise, easily understandable, getting to the point, and having it relevant to the target audience. This is a big deal right here because you do have some general concepts you like to get out there, but you also have a target audience that you're trying to bring in, and you want to be, we want to be thinking about who that target audience is and be speaking to them, so that way we draw them in like a magnet. And that's what we're going to talk about. And with Facebook, and this is something I know a lot about, and I constantly struggle with it myself and have to keep reminding myself, because sometimes, marketing can be complex, and I have to remember that the person watching this video or reading a blog, they might not know the subject very well. So I have to keep reminding myself to simplify it. And this can happen if you're a cleaning company too. You have to remember that the buyer, the viewer, this might be the first time they hired a cleaning company. So if you start using jargon, they can get lost. So that's why, unless you know for sure that the audience you're speaking to is advanced and experienced, then you can use some jargon to bring them in. But for the general public, they might not know any of these technical terms that you use all day, every day. So that's a big part of clarity, is trying to eliminate the jargon and speak to people using common words. That's a big part of it. So how to apply clarity? The starting point is a clear value proposition. You may have heard the word unique value proposition, unique selling proposition. It doesn't necessarily have to be unique to the whole world. It can just be unique to your specific area. For instance, and with value propositions, I have a lot of different videos that talk about this. There's company ones, like we're the largest, oldest, cheapest. I doubt any of you want to do that one, but something like that in X county, that would be like a company level. And then from a target or an audience level value proposition, you're thinking about a very specific audience that you're trying to draw in. So for instance, if you are selling to medical buildings, you would want to think about medical buildings, or professional offices and the unique challenges that professional offices have, or middle-class homeowners, upper middle-class homeowners, busy professionals, busy moms. These are all different types of value propositions that you could start, that you could think about, and then from there you can get into the messaging. And the big thing is this is another topic that I talk about, is the dilution effect. That if you talk about a topic, or if you make it too big, people can get lost about what the key message is. And the key message is clarity. Or the key point is to always be thinking about clarity, and we want to get that one big point across. On Facebook, it's super fast. You're talking 3 seconds, 1 second, a millisecond that people are making these decisions. So if you can focus on one message and get that across fast and furious. I was talking about this earlier with simple and direct language, avoiding jargon, high quality visuals. A lot of people, especially once you get over 40 or 50, have reading glasses or their sight isn't as good. So the high quality visuals with not a lot of stuff going on, if that's your target. Now, if it's a younger audience, you probably can add a bunch of words and different symbols and stuff, a lot of stuff going on. I generally try to just keep pictures, and that's it, just the picture. Maybe once in a while, a couple of words here and there, but I try to keep it simple and so they can focus on a high quality picture, because not everybody can even see or read that closely, and a straightforward call to action. So what are some good and bad examples of using clarity with Facebook ads? Here's a good example of a clear value proposition. Transform your space with our professional cleaning service. I know at first you think, well, what's the big deal? Well, transformation, transformative, these are very descriptive, very powerful words, and that is what people want to do with their space. They want to transform it. It's probably a mess. They want to make it not a mess. And, this is kind of vague, professional. You can even go further on this. So this is sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second there. The point is you're highlighting the transformative impact of professional cleaning. And it's a common pain point. They want cleaner space. They want their neighbors to see it. That's what that is. This is an example of focused messaging that you're going to refresh your home. We're getting those words in. Everybody wants to refresh their home. But in this one, we're focused on a spring cleaning special. So there's a very specific reason why we're doing this. And we are using one key message. So that's another thing with Facebook, because these are super fast thinkers. In most cases, people are scrolling through that timeline, seeing sponsored ads, and we want to get that one message, that one offer off, and not 50 of them. And here are some bad examples, and here is get clean today. Well, this is just too vague. Get what cleaned? I mean, think about how somebody is thinking. Get what cleaned? It could be your car, it could be your hair, it could be your nails, I don't know, your house. But it's so vague that it's unclear, and someone might not know what it even means. Clean what? Another one would be overcrowding messaging. And you see this quite a bit too. People want to jam in every single little thing. And, professional offices, cleaning services, special offers, limited time only, book now. These are 4 things that are going through people's minds in a matter of a second, and it's just too much. You would want to narrow this down to 1 or 2 maybe, and that's pretty much it. Because if you clutter it too much, this is dilution effect that you dilute the main message, like we were speaking about above about a spring cleaning offer. That would be more direct, and that would be keeping the message on point. So this was a quick video about clarity and how to apply it to your Facebook ads. My name is Shane Dubell. Our company is methodcleanbiz.com. Give us a call, visit our website, and see what we can do for your business.